test drive the 2014 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third row seat, traction control, quad seating, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, remote vehicle start, cruise control, aluminum wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.